My name is Steve Donofrio. I am a speaker and a trainer. I train on leadership, and then in the coaching and consulting area, I do a lot on presentation and communication skills. Remote, because of COVID, just brought a whole bunch of new tools like Zoom, but the problem's always been the same. We bore people by presenting a slide, reducing ourselves to almost nothing, and then reading and or vomiting information onto our person on the other side. I think the thing I like to do with Reactiv that helps me a lot is what I'm going to call a callback. And I really like when I'm able to use bigger letters, use colors, use a couple arrows. It draws people to the important part of the text. Instead of just them reading it, they might be skimming, because we don't really read, we skim. But we want them to skim the certain highlights. So maybe it's free offer in red and underlined. It could be circled. And that will be a double readership path in copywriting. We're able to take that same formula and I can highlight something. I can write some key figures there, and it's going to draw them to where I want them to be at the moment I want them to be there. So they're hearing it, they're seeing it, they're connecting and interacting with it. If I'm with a client and a sales, I can pull up a sheet, I can say, hey, let's look at this. Then I can save that and I can send it to them. I can send the slide, I can send the document to them. They read through it, they're going to recall everything we talked about. But I was on LinkedIn and I came across one of your videos about the neuroscience of the Reactiv platform. And I love that because when I speak, I want to connect the art and the science of communication. So I think art and science is important. There is an art to communicate, but there's a science of the mind, how we remember, how we think. And your video was talking about neuroscience and how your brain fires up on certain things and how we rebuild memories. And it caught my attention. And I'm like, hey, I could use something like this, because I don't like PowerPoints a whole lot, but when I present to a consultant or other trainers and help them be better, this is going to be a game changer. And so that's when I thought, I have to figure this out. You know, if I'm really vulnerable and open right now, I was intimidated when I was like, this is going to scare me to death. But I was happy that even I could use Reactiv Suite. So I love the platform because a non-tech person can then take some of the art of communication, blend it with the neuroscience, the behavior science, and why people remember and act on those memories, and put them all together. It's a beautiful platform for anybody who's into presenting, that has to present online, whether it's to a group or to one-to-one.